Greetings, madam. I am Angel Udara.
Jesus.
Angel Udara?
Yes. I have a message from the Lord.
Okay. Read Udara first.
Wait.
No problem. Child, you want to add petrol to fire?
The Lord said you are going to fast for good 3 days.
3 days?
Good 3 days. If not, something evil will befall your pregnancy.
God forbid. Angel, I go fast. I go fast. Hey, why God go do send this kind of message now? He knows that I get belly and I need to eat morning, afternoon, and night. Now wow.
That is the main reason you will fast from 6 to 12 instead of 6 to 6, madam.
Thank God though. At least it's better, 6 to 12.
Okay.
But I'm going to stay here with you for 3 days to supervise your fasting.
Okay.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
You are fasting from 6 to 12.
You have to have capacity. We must learn a lesson.
Shay, there is God.
We just pray.
Madam, what are you doing?
I don't eat them. I just want to pour here, make it easy for me. So I go soon now.
Okay.
You just dey here since the liquid that where they here they pray.
Child, no problem. God will see us. There is God.
Dissolve! Dissolve.
Madam, you are eating food already. This is just 11:50. It's remaining 10 minutes.
And I don't do again though. I'm hungry.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh, Tokandeti pesa pesa manangu maumbo nakamwili kananona we mwenyewe
No problem. God will see us. There is God. There is God in everything we are doing. Child.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Got it.
seeds, I've been writing this story. I know the OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know you me low. Music chose me, just know this and know me. I get low key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Mira esto.
Esto se va a poner feo.
Ahora sí viene lo chido.
No tienen el presentimiento de que algo muy malo.
Cuidado, cuidado.
Diablo, qué difícil me la pusiste.
¡Ay, mi madre!
¿Vale?
A dormir juntito.
Esto se va a poner feo.
Bueno, esto se pone interesante.
Ahora sí viene lo chido.
No tienen el presentimiento de que algo muy malo va a pasar.
¡Ay, mi madre! Dios mío, Señor, sálvame.
Thank you, sir. My money! My money! My money!
What is it?
Somebody help me!
What is it?
That the money you just dropped.
Where is it?
One girl, she ran away with the money. Help me, please, let me stand up. I want to chase after her.
No, sit down. I'll just have you. Just calm down. I'm coming back. Yes, relax.
My money.
Well done. Give me that one. Do you think I'm here to joke with you? Come on, give it to me. So you had the guts to steal from a pregnant woman, and you came here chained, pretending like a mad woman.
No, sir.
So what? Explain yourself. I'm listening.
The devil's handwork.
I don't have much to tell you. Desist from this act of yours. It will never help you.
Sorry, I wasn't thinking straight. Sorry.
If you like, think like this. It's none of my business. Desist. Leave this kind of act of yours. Here is your money.
Hey, sir.
No, calm down. Just collect it. You can relax.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.
Why is a pregnant woman like you begging? What's that? What's the problem?
My parents sent me out of the house because the father of the child rejected the pregnancy. So my parents, they kicked me out of the house. I have nowhere to go and nobody to help me. I decided to beg. Thank you very much, sir.
You are welcome. Where do you stay? Since you say your parents chased you out of the house.
In one uncompleted building down there.
It doesn't make sense. Okay, you know what? I don't know if you mind. I will take you to my house. Once you deliver, you can go. At least to take care of you, to make sure that the baby is safe. You get? No. What do you want to do? You want to kneel down? No, no.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Just stand up. Let's go. Get, take it easy.
Okay.
Take it easy. So sorry. Here's your slippers. Don't worry, I'll make sure I take care of you and the baby. Huh?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
No.
Thank
Stop.
you, sir.
Hey, you are welcome. That shouldn't be an issue.
Too late.
yabinywa yabisoza iby'indagara
ibiki
ni
akantu ko kunywa
n'ubundi urabinywa urabihuta n'ibisosi twaraye dutetse ibisosi by'indagara hamenekamo itineri baje gutera irangi havamo tineri ariko nta hari tineri kanganye niba unywaga ibintu byose nabyo urabinywa urabikunda
aho bijyanye se nabatindayo
ndabishushe
wamuzaniye ka primus
ko bimuhe kugira ngo tubimene hari abantu bafite ubushobozi bwo kurya ibintu byose biriho
umuntu ungana gutyo umugabo uramuha ibisosi nsa
banzanye mu basazi wambeshye
iki
dusubire
kumoza ahubwo nawe warasaze kujye batakwakiriye se
ngo kuvuga itangazamakuru kuki utarivuga kandi kora ibyo umwanda man
ubaga kanya indirimbo yitwa Jugumira yamaze kujya kuri channel
Krisi ibyo bintu by'umwanda man ujye kujugumira mu by'ijugumira wimbwira ibyo by'umwanda
yayikubomba kwa producer kwa Philipita yishoye amafaranga ari muri miliyoni 4 zikaba kabisha
yatanzemo urabizi neza
video yakoze hafarenga miliyoni 4
bivuze akaba yaragurishe channel agakora video yirwa beshyana ngo brother wozi isono cya brother uri kuvuga ibi ngibi brother musangira ubugari n'ubishyimba mane muri ghetto
kandi wari yujya ubura
mva nkurabure musangira ubugari n'ubishyimba muri ghetto mwavayo yabona nk'ibica yiyobeje mukayicembana ntago siganze gukura ubusiro wallahi urumva oya niyo mpamvu nanjye ntago ndishumiye
tuyicecekere kadomoro stop aka kanya n'uyu munota umugore niwe umenya ngo wamubyariye muje mu mwubaha uyu ni wese tiyimbwa naho yawe papa
ongera ungoreho ina ongera ungoreho ongera uhabasha ungoreho inde iyo ngukubise undega kuri isu agonja kakugwana nawe
ubundi se wanshobora
ndumiwe
Hey guys, n'umwana w'umukene wa mwana wavutse byaranze byaragoranye cyane ngiye kwabwira ibintu bitatu byatuma usa neza ugasa nk'abakire uri kumva nyine ugacamo nyine nawe ukagaragara nk'umuntu ufite amafaranga. Ikintu cya mbere ni amafaranga, ikindi cya kabiri ni amafaranga, icya gatatu nacyo ni amafaranga. Nta kintu na kimwe kibaho cyatuma cyangwa ube abakiruse n'abakire atari amafaranga niba ruswa ari nanjye kubwira genda umutuzi birashira nanjye ndi kunywa amazi byagabanutse bayi
Yumva agatima gatera nzaba mvuze ko ngukunda twakundanye tukiri bato sana reka nkwibutse ma tubwira n'utujambo tunezeza umutima hari kera cyane tutaziro bigana none dore twikomeje urukundo rudugasana my baby's from Antio numva no kutagiriye byose ntibisanzwe aho bigezeje numva ngomba gusa ayiwe ukunda cyane nkaho ryo bariganye
God help. Hello.
What I trying to say?
No.
No, 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 no.
These are the cry of the children.